Tonight, News Channel 9 is back in the communities devastated by a string of tornadoes 1 year ago. Our Victoria Kellogg live in Canastota, where friends remember a man killed. We begin with Andrew Donovan, who was in Rome just minutes after the EF2 twister 1 year ago, is back there again tonight.
From the fire escape, Joe Baraski still sees the path of destruction.
And they came through there, right over the tops of these buildings.
The EF2 twisted toward the 100-year-old theater he cares for.
And my phone went off, and there was an alert. Our fire alarm system had a problem. That was the exact moment that the tornado had hit.
The Crown Jewel Auditorium mostly fine, but the complex's cinema and bookstore lost their roofs and so much more.
All of this drywall is going to have to be replaced. Everything was raining down in here from our HVAC system was blown off the roof, so all of that water ended up in here.
Mostly dried out, but not repaired 1 year later due to insurance bureaucracy.
We haven't even begun to restore this building to reopen it. And this is the case with a lot of buildings around Rome right now. These are over $100,000. There's multiple servers in there, and this is all got wet. Everything that got wet doesn't work anymore.
The front windows have been replaced.
A lot of the bricks just came right through everywhere.
Smashed by flying bricks from the iconic mural-clad building that took a direct hit. In the year since, it's been taken down. Now it's almost as if it was never there. St. Mary's Church, which the governor used as her briefing backdrop, has also come down, leaving a plot of land. The Presbyterian Church, the second steeple to topple that day, is still under major reconstruction in hopes the congregation will return. Its work was slowed down when its temporary roof was damaged in another storm this year.
If you drive around Rome, it doesn't look like it happened a year ago. It looked like it happened a month ago.
He hopes by the tornado's second anniversary, the Copper City will have its shine back. In Rome, Andrew Donovan, News Channel 9.